बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रोज़ाना बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश के अहम फ़िक़रात सीखने जा रहे हैं। तो चलें आज के इस लेसन का आगाज़ करते हैं। हमारी वीडियो में सबसे पहले है मुसाफिर ट्रेन का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। द पैसेंजर्स आर वेटिंग फॉर ट्रेन। द पैसेंजर्स आर वेटिंग फॉर ट्रेन। मेहरबानी करके दोबारा कहें। से इट अगैन प्लीज़। से इट अगैन प्लीज़। आपको इस बारे में किसने इत्तला दी? Who informed you about this? Who informed you about this? तुम उसे क्यों पीट रहे हो? Why are you beating him? Why are you beating him? मेरे तमाम जवाब ठीक थे। All of my answers were correct. All of my answers were correct. शायद वो देर से आए। Maybe he will come late. Maybe he will come late. मैंने उसे एक बार देखा। I saw him once. I saw him once. तुम जाते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you go? Why don't you go? यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा। It will be better for you. It will be better for you. क्या तुम यहाँ ठहरोगी? Would you stay here? Would you stay here? Would you stay here? आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। You did a great job. You did a great job. बाहर देखो कौन है। Look who is outside. Look who is outside. Next is मेरे लिए कुछ करो। Do something for me. Do something for me. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मुझे वापस कॉल करो। Call me back. Call me back. आपका वक्त ख़त्म हो गया। Your time is up. Your time is up. यहाँ से हिलना नहीं। Don't move from here. Don't move from here. दोबारा ऐसा ना हो। Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. Next is आप किसकी तरफ हैं? Which side are you on? Which side are you on? अपने दिमाग पर ज़्यादा जोर मत डालो। Don't stress yourself too much. Don't stress yourself too much. हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है। This is always the case. This is always the case. अगर मुझे देर हो गई तो What if I get late? What if I get late? क्या बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ। I am quite exhausted today. I am quite exhausted today. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. बाहर इंतज़ार करें। Wait outside. Wait outside. यहाँ बैठे रहो। Keep sitting here. Keep sitting here. बारिश होने का इम्कान है। It's likely to rain. It's likely to rain. सुस्ती नहीं करो। Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. इसके बाद है इतवार को मिलते हैं। See you on Sunday. See you on Sunday. मैं बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ। I am extremely sorry. I am extremely sorry. क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे? Would you give me a hand? Would you give me a hand? अपना वक्त बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. मेरी हफ्तावार छुट्टी है। I have a weekly off. I have a weekly off. चलें मिलकर ख़रीदारी करते हैं। Let's shopping together. Let's shopping together. मुसाफिर ट्रेन का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। The passengers are waiting for train. The passengers are waiting for train. मेहरबानी करके दोबारा कहें। Say it again please. Say it again please. आपको इस बारे में किसने इत्तला दी? Who informed you about this? Who informed you about this? तुम उसे क्यों पीट रहे हो? Why are you beating him? Why are you beating him? मेरे तमाम जवाब ठीक थे. All of my answers were correct. बाहर देखो कौन है. Look who is outside. Look who is outside. नेक्स्ट इज कौन कौन लड़ रहा है. Who all is fighting? Who all is fighting? ये अब आप पर है. It is on you now. It is on you now. मेहरबानी करके दोबारा कहें. Say it again please. Say it again please. तुम हमेशा उसकी साइड लेते हो. You always take his side. You always take his side. तुम जा सकते हो. You can go. You can go. वक्त पर आना. वक्त पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. नेक्स्ट इज खाने में नमक नहीं है. There is no salt in the food. There is no salt in the food. There is no salt in the food. तुम्हें काम करना चाहिए. You should work. You should work. जल्दी ठीक हो जाओ. Get well soon. Get well soon. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think like that. Don't even think like that. उम्मीद है कि आप लुत्फ़ अंदोज़ हो रहे होंगे. I hope you are enjoying yourself. I hope you are enjoying yourself. ठीक है. It's all right. It's all right. इसके बाद है मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. बाहर इंतज़ार करें. Wait outside. Wait outside. यहाँ बैठे रहो. Keep sitting here. Keep sitting here. बारिश होने का इम्कान है. It's likely to rain. It's likely to rain. मैं पहुँचने वाला हूँ. I'm about to arrive. I'm about to arrive. अपनी उम्र का तो लिहाज करो. Have regard for your age. Have regard for your age. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं. I have no objection. मैं भी यही कहने वाला था. I was about to say this. I was about to say this. मुझे काम करने दो. Let me work. Let me work. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? आई होप कि प्रीवियस वीडियोस की तरह ये वीडियो भी आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.